Shipped is the Next.js product starter kit to ship your products quickly and start making money without the struggles. If you have a product idea but you don't know how to get started, or you have a full-time job that keeps you busy, you are in the right place. With Shipped, you'll get access to a GitHub repository that contains code, designs, components, and integrations to launch your product within hours. Let's dive in. You'll get access to this code base, and if you go to the documentation, you have examples of pages you can create. Let's say we want to build and launch a SaaS product. So just copy the code from here. I go to the code editor, I save. And here I have the full landing page with a hero section, with a call to action, a button to book a demo, testimonials, an explainer video placeholder, features, dedicated testimonials section, the pricing with monthly and annual plans, the FAQ section, and a call to action box. Finally, at the end of the page, you have the footer with your branding, the links to the different pages, and to the social profiles. But let's say we're not ready to launch the product yet. We want to build and launch a waiting list page. This is provided by Shipped as well. Just copy the code, paste it, save, and here we are with a slightly different landing page, without the pricing, but with a call to action box to collect the emails from the users. Shipped comes with authentication in place, so you can sign up your users by default using Google Sign-in and email magic link, but you can add multiple different social sign-in methods like Twitter, Facebook, Apple, GitHub, and 60 others. A sign-in page is available as well, and a dedicated section for the protected pages. In the documentation, you find all you need to get started, how to create a Lemon Squeezy store, which is the service that provides products, subscription plans, and so on, and that allows you to collect payments from your customers. If you want to launch your product and collect money quickly, Shipped is the product for you.